Let me go into and talk about editing a feedback. What we are seeing here is the dashboard of the Lensity Listen application. We can go into the edit feedback page by just clicking on this icon for either of the feedback that's coming in for the different projects. Or if we choose to, we can go into the view feedback details page of a particular project and then choose and see other feedback that are coming in that we would like to edit. So when I clicked on for the ABC test software topic for the DocSnap support project, these are all the feedbacks that are coming in and paginated. And if I click on one of them, this will bring up what is called the edit feedback page. Now, this page is one of the key areas for the Lensity Listen application. Once a feedback is received, what really differentiates organization is what they do with the feedback, because the feedback received is just the first part of it. The most important part is what you do with what your customers are saying and how fast and quick you do it. So this is a place where we can see it has more details about the feedback. You can rate the feedback, and by rating, what it does is it also provides the average rating and the stars, and also tells the number of votings that were posted for in this particular feedback. Here is the total feedback details page. We can also comment add comments for the particular feedback. We can even tag different words for this feedback, which is a very powerful feature because by tagging, it makes it easy to search on a particular feedback. To manage the life cycle of this particular feedback, we also have categories. We can say whether it's a normal or important one. And remember, depending on what we choose, our reporting also reports on the category field. So it is very important that we choose the right category and that thereby prioritize the work that we're going to do. Also, we can have status changes. We can add a status for it. For example, it's received and we are working on it. Or we can always add another status and say, hey, I'm working on it currently. And we get them listed here. Now, the other thing is, with just as a simple click, what we said in the overview is you can either publish this feedback to the Facebook, or you can publish this as a testimonial, or if you want this feedback to be into a forum, you can publish this particular one here, and it will say, do you want this feedback to be in the forum? And you say, okay, and it goes to the forum for a public discussion. Another important thing, this is again available by subscription based, is the revision history, where it tells each and everything about what exactly happened with that feedback. It's a very powerful feature that is already incorporated in the Lensity Listen application.